Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel, BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. I also want to welcome the students of 10th class, especially the science chemistry, the chapter chemical reactions and chemical equations, and here topic that is oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Before that I told type of reaction. I have completed that combination, decomposition, and next is displacement and double displacement and oxidation reduction. Now I want to explain what is mean by oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Let us start oxidizing agent. What is mean by oxidizing agent? Now it is called also oxidant. Oxidizing agent is one which oxidize other and itself reduce. Then what is the meaning? So only it will be clear when you see the example. Let us say this is simple example CuO. See what is CuO? Cupric oxide. Hydrogen. Cu plus water. Now see here what happens? CuO changes to Cu. Oxygen is removed. I told if oxygen is removed, what is called? Reduction. Here H2 changes to H2O. I told what is that? Addition of oxygen called oxidation. See here, it is oxidation and it is reduction. Then come to question, what is here oxidizing agent? Because I only explain what is oxidizing agent. Now CuO, that is oxidizing agent. Then how? Oxidizing agent is this one because it oxidize what hydrogen to water. It oxidize hydrogen to water. Water means H2O. Addition of oxygen takes place. That is why it is called oxidizing agent, because it oxidize other and itself reduce. Itself reduce because oxygen is removed. I told if oxygen is removed, what is that? That is called reduction. So itself reduce. Itself means CuO reduced to copper. I hope clear. Oxidizing agent, that is CuO, because it oxidizes hydrogen H2 to H2O and itself reduced to from CuO to Cu. That is why it is called oxidizing agent. Nowadays it is called oxidant. Always remember that oxidizing means it oxidizing other. Reducing what if you is reduce other. Now come to reducing agent, all called reductant. Then what is a reducing agent? Reductant, or you can say reductant. That means here it is one. Reducing agent is one which reduce other. Reducing, the name reducing means reduce other, and itself oxidize. Itself oxidize means itself oxidation takes place. It reduce other means reduction takes place for other. Then see here H2, here it is known as reducing agent. Then why? Question is why it is known as reducing agent? Because hydrogen helps copper oxide to reduce to copper. That means it reduce from copper oxide to copper, and it oxidize itself. That means hydrogen oxidize itself. Then oxidation takes place. Hydrogen oxidize to water. That is why it is called hydrogen. H2 is called this part. There are two reactants. One reactant CuO is oxidizing agent and this H2 is reducing agent. Now in this reaction, what is clear? That means any reaction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent both should present. So see here, one is a reducing agent and this one is oxidizing agent. Similarly, we will see the next example. You will find which one is reducing agent, which one is oxidizing agent, where oxidation takes place, where reduction takes place. Now H2S plus chlorine gives HClS. Now see, from H2S it changes to S. That means hydrogen is removed. If hydrogen is removed, that is called oxidation. If hydrogen is removed, that is called oxidation. So here oxidation takes place. Now see here what happens. Chlorine changes to HCl. Addition of hydrogen takes place. That is why it is reduction. It is known as reduction. So you are sure that hydrogen sulfide undergo oxidation changes to sulfur. Chlorine undergoes reduction changes to HCl. First you will see where oxidation takes place, where reduction takes place. Then we will see which one is oxidizing agent and which one is reducing agent. Now here H2S, since H2S helps this one for reduction, so it is reducing agent because it reduces chlorine to hydrochloric acid HCl. Addition of hydrogen takes place, reduction takes place. It helps for other undergoes reduction. And so H2S is called reducing agent. Now chlorine. Chlorine is oxidizing agent. Then how? Because chlorine helps to remove hydrogen from here. From here means H2S changes to S by the help of chlorine. So chlorine is oxidizing agent because chlorine here oxidize hydrogen sulfide to sulfur, but itself reduced to hydrochloric acid. Itself reduced to hydrochloric acid means addition of hydrogen takes place and removal of hydrogen here takes place, so oxidation, and here chlorine to HCl oxidation reduction takes place because addition of hydrogen is there. That is why H2S is reducing agent, chlorine is oxidizing agent. Again see why H2S reducing agent? Because it reduces chlorine to hydrochloric acid and itself oxidizes to sulfur. So you will find which one is reducing agent, which one is oxidizing agent. Now in this case ZnO plus C. What is ZnO? Zinc oxide plus C. It gives Zn plus CO. Then what happens here? Where oxidation takes place? Where reduction takes place? You will find first. So zinc oxide changes to zinc. What happens here? Oxygen is removed. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. Removal of oxygen is called reduction. Removal of oxygen is called reduction. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So what happened here? Here removal of oxygen, that is why here reduction takes place. Here reduction takes place. Now what happens about carbon? Carbon changes to carbon monoxide. That means addition of oxygen is there. I told what is addition of oxygen? That is oxidation. So here oxidation takes place. But one thing, who helps for the reduction and who helps for oxidation, we will check it. Now zinc oxide by the help of carbon only reduced to zinc. So carbon is reducing agent because carbon reduces zinc oxide to zinc because oxygen is removed. Again see, carbon is reducing agent because it reduces zinc oxide to zinc, and carbon is reducing agent. Finish. Then come to zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is oxidizing agent because it oxidizes carbon to carbon monoxide and reduce to zinc. That means carbon is reducing agent and ZnO is oxidizing agent. Again see, carbon is reducing agent because it reduces zinc oxide to zinc, and zinc oxide is oxidizing agent because it oxidizes carbon to carbon monoxide and itself reduce. Itself reduce means to zinc. This is reducing agent and oxidizing agent. So when you will find the oxidizing agent and reducing agent, what we will see first? Sorry. First you will see where oxidation takes place and where reduction takes place. After oxidation, what is the product? After reduction, what is the product? Then only you will clear what is oxidizing agent, what is reducing agent. Again see, oxidizing agent means which one which oxidize other and itself reduce. Reducing agent means which reduce other and itself oxidize. And here also redox reaction, I told, of reaction where oxidation, reduction both takes place simultaneously. See, these are the redox reaction where both takes place. Both mean oxidation and reduction both takes place. Then only you can find which is reducing agent, which is oxidizing agent. Again, see, redox reaction means where oxidation and reduction both takes place. Then only you can see which one is reducing agent, which one is oxidizing agent. So I hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also I hope you will share and like my channel so that I can produce more videos on the class topic science, class 10, especially chemistry. Thank you.